Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course? Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East-West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up! Limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
Impulse NGO Network kalapan pau ya kajing Sngewthuh halor kajing jia ka baki Samla ki bala soy ya ki Kontrak ban Shah Hikai kum ki beautician cum spa therapist kim Samla Sngewthuh ya ki kendon ki badan ha ka Kontrak namar babon ki de ki bam danang hadu kata ha ka tho ka pule bat bon ki wan na ki than nong kendong bat kim nang baharu ya ka ktien English. Kani gijing pen pau kala wan hadin kendet sngi bala mi ka khubor sapang kawai ka Samla kan thai na Giant Hills ka bala lai tre pune hadin bagala pendap ya ka jing kai kum ka beautician hapo ka program skill Meghalaya henry habakala poi pune pan kalap baka kam ka bala penbet ka day ban Khem-Met ha ka spa om ka kam beautician kum bala kular kat kum ka Sngewthuh jong ka Samla la ong bakala pendap ya ka jing kai ka balai banai ha clearian bat ka ka program ka de ka bala penyat da ka Meghalaya State Skills Development Society MSSDS ringkat bat kiwai pat kitana jong ka sarkar Meghalaya halor ka ka benta ka Impulse NGO Network kala tho sya ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women ban kentu badai ban toket bnia ya ka kam ka team leader bat case manager jong ka Impulse NGO Network ka kong bari pelalitan kala ong baka training center ha cleariat ka bala ai jing Hikai yakini ki Samla kan thai kadai ban batai shai bha sapang ka kam shwa bakin soy yaki contract kat kom ka Sngewthuh jong ki Samla ki bala wan pai na puni ki la mut baka jing Hikai ka long tang halor ka face but hair spa na mar ha cleariat ru la ai jing Hikai ki tang ha kini ki benta kakong bari pela kala ong bakim Samla tip satya bahadien kin hap ban Shah Hikai ban Khem-Met kabala penlong yaki ban Sngewthuh artatin ban om Sngewthuh ya hap ban benrap babun na kini ki Samla kim padjumi shabar Meghalaya bar kim nang baharu yakaktin Hindi ne English show kala ong bahabagi poi hapuni kim Samla yo i yaki tiar ban le yaka face but hair spa henry la penbet yaki ban Shah Hikai Khem-Met yaki sinrang kabala penlong yaki ban Sngewthuh ir bat om kwa ban beteng yakate kam
to ka kies ang iyo kumniken iyo ne ko ngagnes first I ong ngi bakidon taki khna ba arnwet ki badan ki balet training from here chapuni the after bangi tip ya kata information ni find out so kan manu taki khna lada ki ladon any ki la complain em ki family members ki tip ne em they since I don't contact lang but I khna iba ayeng I take information ngile ko no ngi contact iken ngong fi kwa ko through video chat yong ba ikwa ban mi no namar ba I hausathi ki habya massage ki met junction rang eti ki as per ba kilit maki ti ong ni mut bet bet tang ya ka yo snyu ba ya ka face am ti kam mut kin ba ki hab lit massage kum ta ti ong they feeling uncomfortable and they want to come back it started like that the ong ba ki bun ki ba kwa ban wan no tang ba mental tang ma I but itai we pade ki they strongly wanted to come back after that ni tip pade ya I siapa police station ni pentip siya clear na marbangin tip kata ka case kada kumno mo and since ni kumka organization ni la tray kumni for many years we don't know exactly it could be a trafficking cases or what type of cases but since we got the complaint that she wanted to come back we act on that kind and after which ni contact ya ka women commission group ban pentip ba kidon kini khna ki bala len nang ni na po Shillong namenta ka training siya puni so after which we also inform our partnership siya po puni ban ong ba kidon ki khna na po Meghalaya ki bangi yo jing tip na iwe ni ki khna ibala contact ingi bala ay ka voice chat then after which organization ka partner organization jung siya puni ro ki let ken man lit toket ba dan em kumta ti kilalet ba ki pulet room nang ni ro ngila bentip hi ki anti human trafficking police hamte ban let chathi sha taka jaka but kilalet room sha poru kilaba kidan ki khna ki bon ba ki khna nang ni na po na north east na Meghalaya especially and ba kidon hangta po kata jaka training ba ki mo ba ki hangta training ki dan atli ki kamra saumut ki taki shinrang ki sa po but ki kenthai pade ki sa shidrong te hangta jaka ki dan lut bor khat ki training hangta ki bam ta ki the training ro takes place hang hai tai kamra hi ken te kata kadai ka bangi information, and as per that pada kita ki kena pada kilawan no ki ta arngot pada while ka team jungi kale hang to apo ka to ka training center te ki ni kena arngot pada kilawan da ka flight ken hilayo jingtep. As per ki networking partner jungi ki balet hang ta ha ta jaka ki ong bak long very inhuman ka jaka ba ki bu kena ken namar ba everything is done in one place, and the toilet also is not that clean. So that's what ki networking partner jungi ha ki bala yu kata jaka ki balet hang ta. As for now, tengi la pa letter show women permission. Tenga pat yo hiban kerani kong after that. Only when we first received the complaint, tenga pa I kong ombak ngala pa kane kishti mo ba kumni kaja. The after that ngapat ngi pat ya yo any information I kong ru.
Sngewthuh ba kajing temu jeng government kalong ka pa nam ta ka ai kam ai jam ki khana atum la de pada na liang ki nong hikai jong ka company lani kidu do ki agency ki basim badman pun Sngewthuh ba kham tam ba di de ki khana ki thai nong kon nong ba kham sakon nong te ka hatu na de ban Sngewthuh ba lani pen sai ki sho ba ki nyalam.
Hoi kata kadai kata ka jing bakla jong kadai ka training center ro namarba ki khna kem Sngewthuh ya ka e bakin len haba ilawan iti khna ngi lai kerani I ong ba kat bangi ki ong ngi hang ni kan dei betang ya ka face but ya ka as per their understanding ken baka dei tang ya ka face but ya ka ya yo te kim te bakin dan other type of training ke ba kin pin snow ye ki bakin long comfortable te ya kata ki khlam benya te ki dei ban batai ki ki shobakin sign ki contract lani shobakin let chathi khnang ba ki khna kin tip exactly ke bakin le teng sngo ba ki dei ban batai shwa kan especially ki khna ki balet nang ne na Meghalaya kum ka jingtip jongi ka dei ba ki kim danang bhaya ka Hindi ru long ki nang tang khasi ke kham kren hi ya ka local language jong ki ke tang kim da Sngewthuh bha kim nang ha ban kren te dala po shi the ki bon ki e ba ki la banja da ka ba ki namal ba kim tip ta ka daw teng I feel that ki training center ki dei ban Shobakin meet nang nena po Shillong ki devan tip hai ki kemen yo kata awareness also like ngi ko impulse NGO network ngi la ban ya collaborate if you want to, so that we will be able to also give them awareness ke what is that what usually happen, what are the what can take place and how they can prevent themselves if anything happens. Ka training center ka di man batay ki like daka language ka ba ki Sngewthuh namar kat ban mi na ka ni ka jaka ba ki shitsat namar ki bun manaki ki pajumi nang ni na Meghalaya mo ki pajumi that will be their first time. It is very important that they explain to them exactly what is going to happen, what is the training that is going to take place, and kita ki kam ba ki hable ken namar as per bangin kren hiti khna ba wan yang iklam tip should sign bet you should trust bet ba it is kata training yaka face tang yaka face but yaka you snyu namar as per maki ki spa de tang ya kita namar ba kita ka training it did take place hapo clear ya tang ya kata hakatuka contract baki sign maki te ka thok information mo ka thok information ba ke tadi ka spa but then ki kram mention pada like of course spa includes everything but kini ki khna kim Sngewthuh ken and also tat ba tho ang to ka contract kini ki khna ki kim tip kim Sngewthuh ka de kumnu kim tip por bang cliff ye ki ngong fitip fini yo stipend kata ki ong hangi tip bangin yo ta ka pisa tamba la nuru kim Sngewthuh namar ba ka tho lu da ka phareng dia plus majority of kim nang man puli and dan ba you dia katuka gap kan jong ki ba kim Sngewthuh ba kim tip ka ha ka contract as per ka bangai ka tho ki ta ki information ba ka de ka spa ka de ba kin sayo kita ka stipend after that kin Shah ba ki hablet different places ban you tamba kini ki khna pare ki khlam tip ba kan ka de ka what type of spa they supposed to you can to work. But more iti por bangai keren bat ki yong ba hang ni for 3 months kile betang ya kani usnyu ba ya ka khaman dia por ba kile ro ki khlam ong ba what other things they'll do Dia por bekilet por first kile por Guwahati dia said they'll go to Pune. Por Pune pada kihlami kita ki tiarte ki ong ba kihlami kita ki tiar ban le spy ki Sngewthuh ki dia ki sedang pada ki shu I direct training ban le massage body massage and that also for men. So which they felt very uncomfortable. So I feel when a contract is being written, especially kini kina kiba dang kidon shani sha naki village mo ki you deban explain ha ken what type ke kata ka like kita ki kam ki bakin le ken namar ba as per kini kina ki shulet with trust mo namar ba ka de nang ni na po Shillong mo ki lat with trust they left without understanding what they're supposed to do. Ngiru ngila pa shakan STS as well ban ong ya ka long ngila pa shakini women commission as well ngila pa ngi we are willing to cooperate ban collaborate ban eye awareness ban shabakin mi kini ki trainees mo ban at least explain to them what a little bit of the work that we do as well because like as you see matakibun ki trafficking that takes place so for them to understand how to prevent themselves who to contact in those areas because we've been working for so many years. We have our networking partners in all the states. So we can always connect them if they need any help or know what to do next because sometimes when they are stuck in unknown places tiki maki kim nang shoot te ban le kumno kim tip yano ban contact lani ban yano ban wa jing rap ki shuye you hang to ke shia sakut bade. So that is what our networking partner is still trying to figure it out whether Katoka training center is actually registered or not. So we have to see, like as for now, ni shoot the bag. This is what had happened. We don't have any contact with any of the girls, so we don't know what is actually happening there. As per iti kinablawan pai pada ti ong ba nadok hat santare kin hable cheki ki state different states. Yes, this is a pattern that usually take place every time when trafficking take place. Like say it from other states as well. We have received a lot of cases as well. For example, it started with training and then they are being taken to places without their understanding. So that is the reason why we felt that as an organization we had to intervene. We had to intervene, informed each and every partner organization, the women commission, the police, so that they will not be exploited and we will be able to rescue them at the right time. So once we receive an information, we always take action immediately.
Habatin, pej bahaki kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya